Right guys, hello to the Carbon Fusion family, and hello to Cuts-All. Get the die grinders today guys, die grinder, angle grinder with the original. I'm going to use this original shaping dish here first. I'm going to run over all this guys, and we're going to go straight back into the tripod. Click her in. And I'm going to get her set up here guys, and that's us. Ready to rock and roll. There we go. I'll stick us on the wee time lapse here and see how we go guys. Hello Spike, hello Mike, hello Mick, hello Pamela, hello Aidan, hello to everybody. Gonna go here guys, check this out. I'm shaking after doing that shaping dish there. Give us a wee look at this here, here we go. Alright guys, as you can see there, I just ran over it with that shaping dish. Sit down on my hole here. Check this out there. So it's taking shape now guys. Got it all cleaned up. I'm ready to do the details just into them eyes. Mouths could do with a bit of detail and more, but I've still to stick the eyes in though. I'm going to turn it around guys. See this nice swoosh lines get into it now. Got a good flow wrapping around, and then at the back I just joined it together there where the crack is. There's a big crack down the back of it. What's a crack? So there you go. I just joined it around like that guys. Nice swoosh lines again at the side all the way up. I have to do the back half of that earl, but I'm not too worried about it because it's going to be close to a hedgerow. The back half of it will be close to an old hedge. Just trying to get her to stand up here because the ground's not too even here. Oop. There we go. So there we go guys. That's how he's looking now. I'm just going to go around. I'll clean up a few other wee bits here with the Dremel. I'll probably not film it like. And I'll get back to this. It's nearly ready for the final burning, shading and stuff. Get that thumb out of the way. There's my cameraman. Well, anyway, there we go, guys. That's off the shaping dish. Hello, Chris. Hello, Larry. Hello, Claire. Hello to everyone else. Yep. Right guys, so I have here, what I have in this bottle, it's just mineral oil. I think it may be linseed oil actually in that. And what I do is I mix it with oil paint. It's just a normal oil paint. But I have that black mixed up already. I use that for painting in around where you would want to do the burning, and then it looks like it's burnt. I'm actually going to do one here now in this. I need to make a red up for this mushroom. I need more red for around at the trails, but show you how to do it, guys. Just get some linseed oil in a wee bottle, and then a wee drop that. Try and keep it on the screen here. A wee drop of red in there. Just a wee snake into it. And then stick a lid on. And watch the magic happen. There you go, guys. I've got nice red. All I need to do is take a lid out, just dip a paintbrush in, or I can pour it out if I need it. And it paints really nice on the wood. So I'm going to run around now. I'll paint the mushroom, and I'm going to do some wee black highlights and stuff. See how we go, guys. That should be it done. After this bit, maybe a wee bit of sanding, but that should be it done. Hey Jordy, hey Just Carved Rob, and hello to Woodside. Right guys, so here we go. It's officially at the trails. No messing about, guys, eh? That's it done. I'm just round at the wee trail here now. That's the starter path, the trails. I took the wee thing off it. I'll just put a wee sign here beside it for the trails, because I want to say on the sign that there's a stickman here and the furry village. But that's it now, guys. Down beside the pond, bottom of Carmoney Hill. There we go. Give us a wee look at him. So that's the way I've finished him. That's his eyes. Give him some teeth. The beard swishes around. Wraps all the way around there. And I stuck a wee mushroom up on the top. There's a wee mushroom there. It's still wet. I'll come around tomorrow and paint the wee white dots onto that. And I'm have to get some oil, Dakin oil, or Dakin sealer stuff, and I'll stick a load of oil onto it once I get the oil, guys. But there you go. That's a little oil. There's the oil in the nook. Cleaned up well. And then there is the Spirit Man. And that is the first big wizard at the Spirit Trails, guys. So really pleased with that. I'll finish her off now. I'm going to go down, keep an eye on the trails, see what's happening. I'll maybe take a wee wander over to that pond, chill out. There we go, guys. So everybody stay creative. That's me done. Happy I got this done. It's on the trail. And it's time to get on to the next one. So there we go. All good, guys. See you all later. There we go. That must be Mummy, Daddy and the babies. And there's the uncle up the front there. There we go. That is the mountain. And then over here is the carving, guys. You can just see it there in the distance. So it's all good, guys. Gonna hit the road now. Get a chat with you all later. Hope everybody had a good day. Everybody stay creative. Really happy I got that fitted in there.